Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It is December 28th, 2020, and we are coming into the final week of 2020. I think there's a couple of hallelujahs on that one. 2020 was definitely one for the history books, right? Well, today I'm going to be giving my analysis of Bitcoin. Didn't give an analysis, videotaped for a couple of days. So I'm going to update that. I'm also going to try to do this as quick as possible. I've been running 12 minutes in that range. I'm going to try to get this under 5. So I'm going to just sort of go a little faster on my analysis. I want you to stay through the whole thing so that you can hear. And I will close, I'll do my short-term analysis, and I will, at the very end, give a quick forecast as to where things are going. I'm also, at this point, I'm also recommending that everybody buy Litecoin. To add to their Bitcoin portfolio. Okay, so having said that, let's go to the videotape. Okay, so here we go. So here's Bitcoin. This is the short-term chart. It's it is short term, it's an hour, but I really want to do a 15-minute chart first. So we are trading at 27,400 right now in Bitcoin. So from we basically rallied up from the 2,400 level, 24.5 in that range. And we wound up over the holiday actually touching onto 28,000. We actually had a close for that 15-minute bar at 28,161, and then selling came in, and we wound up trading down in a fairly orderly way. Wound up coming to a low of 26,000 at that point. And then we recovered, and we started going sideways, and now we're starting to rally, and we are definitely threatening the resistance points that held into place during the consolidation period. So that's 15-minute chart. Hourly chart is looking pretty positive. Also, we're breaking out of the resistance level that is indicated on there in the short run. And we're going to be testing that $28,000 high very soon. Maybe today, maybe the next day. Here's the 1 day, and the 1 day is looking very positive. You see that we rallied up, and yesterday, as we tried to go higher. Yesterday was the day we hit 28,000. Selling came in and brought it back down. We closed at the low. So from a historical perspective on the type of analysis I'm doing, that potentially could be a reversal. We need to see what happens today and tomorrow to determine if that is, in fact, a reversal. So at the very least, we're going to have to retest that high. And if we test it and break through it, then it's not a reversal. It's just, some selling that came in at that $28,000 high. Okay, so having said that, where do we go from here? Well, I am still pretty bullish on this. Let's just do this. I'm pretty bullish on this, and I think that you still continue to pick up Bitcoin on any weakness that may show itself. I do think that the $30,000 forecast I have is still valid, and I think we're going to see that potentially this week. Originally, I was thinking that it was going to be, a few weeks out. That was my original forecast, but then once I started to see how the market was trading, I change that to in the next week or so. And even that may be too conservative. Now, I also want to show you Litecoin. So let me pull that up. This is a very nice chart also, and what it's been doing is it has been tracking with Bitcoin. Okay, let me bring this back in here. Yeah, so this has been tracking with Bitcoin. As you can see, this is a daily Litecoin chart. We are, we had what looked like a reversal yesterday, and we are now at rallied from the basically low of yesterday and we're now at yesterday's high, and that is, call it 135. So that's been rallying very nicely. You see that the chart formation over here actually tracks almost 1-to-1 with Bitcoin. So right now, Litecoin is trading at 135, and it looks like we've got some good strength coming in here. On the 15-minute chart, again, we've got a pop here that happened a couple hours ago, and we're consolidating with that pop. We're not overbought at this point, so going sideways kind of relieved that overbought condition. And in the hourly chart, we made the highs 2 hours ago. A little bit of a reversal potentially, or a little supply coming in, and now in this hour, which we're 34 minutes into, we're looking like we want to start to move higher. So really, I mean, even as we speak, it's going up. So really, what we need to do is break the highs at 136. Call it 50, 136.50. So this is looking very positive. If you guys are really into crypto and you want to add, just sort of diversify a little bit from Bitcoin, then most certainly go into Litecoin. All right, well, that was 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes, longer than what I wanted to do, but general forecast, very bullish still with Bitcoin. 30,000 seems to be a target that is achievable, and with Litecoin, we've got a good rally going there. And Litecoin could essentially double from the levels that we're at here. All right, that's the end of my analysis. Thank you very much. Have a blessed and safe day. Bye-bye.